I missed the beginning of this. I walked away, gave Twyla, we had 75 cents. I put it in Buffalo, spun once, made 18. Twyla put it in here, added 20. Now we're up to 66, and we have a bonus. Those are the bonuses. I would go to this middle or to the right. I would do the mystery. Fuck, what have you got to lose? You gotta actually touch it harder. Okay, what do we got here? There's 6 free games with not one. You got it again? Shit. Holy shit, we got a whole screen again. That's
$50.
I wish we were betting $8 a spin.
Look at, we made $50.
Oh, look at it. Come on, come on. Oh,
How about
This is big ass gambling. This is small ass gambling.
I'm a cheap ass.
Cheap ass gambling. Real gambling.
I did okay. I did okay for a cheap ass.
Big thing. Oh wow. How much were you betting?
88. 1/10 of what you're betting.
Oh, okay.
You're a professional
Oh,
gambler.
betting almost $10. Yeah, almost $10 almost.
Hey, how come yours doesn't make noise?
I don't know.
Yours is busted. Oh, he picks he picks different every time. Oh, does he actually? Will he actually give you more than one?
I don't know. What did he just do?
See, because he can do 1 or 2 or 3. Oh, there's 3, 2. Oh, pot goes up. Oh,
Good. I am up to 300 now.
and what did you start with?
No. Really now.
Wow.
Up to 300, I guess. I don't know, probably. I don't even know that.
Do it. Oh. Come on. Bill.
We need him actually. He can do 1, 2, or 3. So what we need is we need him to dump out 3 on the next one. Okay, hit the button. No one wants to watch this dude spin. Okay, now what we want to see 3. Oh, we got to get 2 columns that line up. Oh, shit. And that pile didn't explode. That's still not bad.
Pretty good.
Yeah, on 88 cents. That's a good multiplier.
$7?
Look at this. This is like 9 of 10.
Come on, what did you spill?
That's a pretty sweet win.
Wow, look at that.
That's real-time gambling. This is
real nice.
cheap-ass gambling. Maybe we should cash that out so I could go put 20 in and try to win.
No, I'm winning that jackpot. He's gonna spill.
See, this gentleman's smart. He's taking his money and running.
Good job.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Put that
Yeah.
put that in the bank and go home. Get someone else to drive you home tonight.
Come on.
When might you stop hitting the button
I
here?
want that to spill.
Good luck, man.
Come on. I want the minor. Spill.
Sucks that this game has no sound on it, though. You have to make your own music. Oh, that sucks. That would have been 5 and oh!
Shit. Come on, spill. Drink, lady.
Yeah, why don't you just have another 20?
Sure, I'll have a Michelob Ultra with lime.
Coors Light, please, with lime. Both of the piece of line, please. Thank you.
Are you switching to Coors Light?
I don't know, those taste funny to me. They taste bitter or something, I don't know.
Come on, spill.
I think we should cash out. Each take 20 and go play those lightning links. Or actually let's go play Lord of the Rings.
At 100, people cash out. Come on, dude, just spill the
While it's trying to
coin.
find these.
Spill.
And you need to spill that. This guy needs to spill that pot over.
Oh, look at that.
There's actually a good chance this phone runs out of storage and dies before this is over.
Come on, spill. I just want you to spill. Yes. Great.
Oh.
Oh, yes.
Oh, we got it.
Oh, what do you think? Mystery again?
Yeah, I would.
Six free games.
And then just every spin it decides different ones. Oh, that's not good. Oh, oh, aces.
Oh, it's not me.
Oh, I know.
Come on. Dude, come on.
Oh, shit.
Dude. Come on.
Oh my God, hit something. Oh, that is shit. It didn't hit a single thing. And this is shit also. It's on the far side.
Oh,
Come on. That is such garbage. That is bullshit. This is a bullshit bonus. That's not even. Oh, we're going over the top.
Woohoo!
Okay, now we're in for the big money.
Hey, are you gonna pick?
Yeah, I gotta pick one. I gotta hold my thing here.
Okay.
Oh, one more for the minor.
Come on.
Grand. Mini.
Oh, you suck.
Okay, go two above the major.
Try it.
Okay, now you want to go right beside the mini because it won't put two beside the minis beside each other. So do the
Right here?
yeah, and the one below it. Go to below it now. Go below it.
Below what?
The mini.
You suck.
Oh shit. Okay, go underneath that. It won't do 3 in a row, right?
Yes, it will.
No, can't.
Yeah.
No,
I think
can't.
we
No,
should
don't.
do that.
No, do that. Yeah.
You suck.
See, look, no, I got us the minor, you
Oh,
dumbass.
woo!
You see, look at that.
Woohoo!
Good work. I'm kind of working the camera and holding my beer and battery back at the same time. This is a lot of dexterity required here. You got tip money out for that girl?
I got $2. That's my last $2.
All right, time to go to a bank machine or Walgreens and buy a Band-Aid or something.
Woohoo! Look at that.
Good work. Holy shit. When are we cashing out?
Can we cash
Or when
out?
can I sit down and play?
Should we cash out?
I would cash out at 160.
No.
Oh. If it's hot, it might dump out again.
Look at that. Come on, dude. Good thing I sat down here, Hardy.
What's this?
Good thing I sat down here.
I know. Good thing I told you to go here and take my money or whatever. Remember, this is all from 75 cents.
Yeah. No, in my $20.
Well, that was just the extra weight.
Oh, come
More.
on.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Well, those jackpots go up pretty fast. Actually, I think we stop at 170 because I can't hold this much longer. Oh my God! 5 of them!
Oh my god.
Oh my God! Oh, not 1, not 2, not 3, but we got 5. Holy shit! Okay, hit the button. I can't stand. Maybe 6 with 2 or 3. Do the mystery. Why not? As long as we don't get 3 games, not 3 games. Okay. Well, I mean that is what it is. Oh, hit something. Oh, is that retrigger? 3 more games. It is. It says 3 more games.
Where?
On the bottom.
Woo!
Oh, line up, line up, line up.
Oh, rude.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Man, I'm gonna have to have a nap soon.
Shit, man.
Holy cow.
Awesome. Come on.
Okay, 3.
Keep going.
Do 3 to the left. Oh, well, that's 3.
Yeah.
And hit. Oh,
Where's the money?
shit. That wasn't a very good symbol. Oh, come on, we can't lose. And oh, that's got to be more games, right?
4, 9.
But doesn't it give us more games?
I don't know.
Oh, that's shitty. That should have been more games. Come on, 2 of something. Aces.
Come on. Aw, rude. Look at that. That could have been sweet.
Oh, this could be good. And
Oh.
oh, that's got to be that's got to be some free games. No, you got 5.
7 of 9.
Oh, I guess you don't get more free games after you get 1 extra set. That's bullshit. Oh. Oh, this should have paid way better than this. This is crappy.
Should have.
That's bullshit. 9 spins, 30 bucks. That's nothing compared to 900.
Here we catch up. 200.
Yeah, I can't stand here much longer.
Okay.
Oh, aces. 16 cents. Oh yeah, it's definitely not. It's stopping paying. And oh. $0.75 turns into $200. That's pretty sweet. El Cortez, my new favorite casino.
Oh shit.
Okay, that's it. We're done.